Eastern Shore rose 18.3% year over year, while contracts fell 15.72%. And we are seeing a shifting market from a myriad of issues impacting the real estate industry ahead. It's Friday, January 31st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. With the Fed announcing no rate cuts, the mortgage rates will likely remain where they are or higher. The construction industry is bracing for labor shortages and higher material costs that will result in slower completion rates and higher home prices for buyers. More inventory to the market means more competition for the buyers in the market. More competition for the fewer buyers means longer times on the market before a contract and more seller concessions. Sellers need to consider being conservative with home list prices, as we are seeing appraisers being cautious on their valuations. Right now, active inventory for sale fell slightly again this week to 1,521 homes. Coming soon, homes are up again this week to 115 properties. New contracts are up to 1,391 properties since last week and going under contract in 27 days, which is an improvement this week. 92 homes settled at 96.9% list to sold ratio, with days on the market climbing to 45 days this week. Homes for lease fell to 129 at $2,100 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, January 31st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.